numerous studies reveal that spending time in nature can dramatically elevate personal growth. For instance, individuals who engage in outdoor activities report increased mindfulness and reduced stress levels. One noteworthy story is of a woman who, after relocating to a rural area, credited her newfound clarity and motivation to daily nature walks. She set personal goals and found that nature provided her with inspiration and focus, fueling her ambition. Embracing these natural surroundings ignited her creativity and confidence, leading her through an incredible personal transformation.